Okay, so I heard we got a pit bull running around and beaching. See, where the dog messed up at is it came from my nephew. Now look at this nigga. I like beaching niggas. My nephew from the Buck. I hate to do this to the slack jaw having ass motherfucker. By the way, it's a lot of niggas that claim they're from the Buck. That's really not. Hey, do we know him? Oh, okay, we do. Back to the point. Now in Exhibit A, this young old ass man obviously think he's strong. I don't know if his auntie was there.
Come on, Stank, show auntie your muscles.
Now, this is America Pose. You know that song by Donald Glover? You know the man. It seemed like the only thing he be working out is that big ass head. And probably the hairline too. See that hairline? That bitch flexing too. Exhibit B. This nigga so ugly, even my hoes wouldn't touch him. You can clearly tell he eat ass. Just stare at him. You see what I mean? Come to think about it, this nigga face the same in Exhibit C, D, and E. Nigga, do you even smile? This may be before your time, young man, but nigga, you look like Lurch. You know, the butler from Addams Family. But I'ma wrap this up with Exhibit F. Oh, that's Gary Coleman. My nephew Buddy had made that. Don't this nigga look like a taller Gary Coleman? Sure is built like him. And instead of saying, "What you talking about, Willis?" that nigga say, "Grrr." But let's wrap it up. Now I'm a pimp, and ain't no lady gonna want a nigga that look like this. Wait, does this nigga got a blunt in his hand? I know he don't got a blunt in his hand. Damn it, he do got a blunt in his hand. Now look at his face. You know that nigga was going on some other shit.
Unc, have you seen my phone? What the heck? I know they have my phone right there. Man, what the hell? Dog, what the fuck? That nigga ugly as hell. Unc, what the heck was you doing back here? Let me cut this off.